Totalkare is pleased to announce the successful supply of a comprehensive suite of mobile workshop equipment to PJ Cole, a well-established provider of liquid waste management services based in Dunsford. The investment includes a set of cable-free mobile column lifts, a mobile brake tester, and mobile shaker plates, further enhancing the company's ability to deliver high-quality service to its customers. PJ Cole's new cable-free mobile column lifts offer a safe working load of 7,500 kilograms per column and can be configured in groups of 4, 6, or 8 columns, making them suitable for a wide range of vehicles. Adjustable forks accommodate various wheel diameters, while their maneuverability allows for optimal use of workshop space. The DVSA-approved mobile brake tester, capable of handling axle loads up to 16,000 kilograms, provides an efficient solution for vehicle testing. Complementing this is the mobile shaker plates, which connect to the brake tester and are designed for axle loads up to 20,000 kilograms and wheel loads up to 10,000 kilograms, making them a valuable addition for thorough vehicle inspections.